Right, hey guys. So today we're going to talk a little bit about reoptimizing our content. So you'll notice that my webcam is a little bit like on a, I don't know, on a weird angle. It's because I have it on a tripod right now. I just have a crappy webcam, so it's not like head on. But okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to be doing it to my website, my personal website. And this is a website I started optimizing a couple months ago. I'm optimizing it for some pretty competitive keyword terms. So, and I'm beginning to see some really great results. So what we do is first we're going to want to make sure we're signed into Google Search Console. Okay, and what you can do is you can look at performance on the left-hand side. You just click on performance, and you can begin looking at some of the queries that are ranking, and the ones that maybe are linked to particular pages. Like right now, web design tips, that one is beginning to show some movement. I don't care too much about these keywords here. I'm more focused on corporate web design. That's another one. I think I have actually, let's see, I think I do have a page, corporate web design page, yeah. So then there's 1,800, around close to 1,900 impressions. Let's see what else. So that's what you're going to want to begin to do. You're going to want to begin to just, and you can import all of this stuff or export it all to like a spreadsheet. So that's, the first step. And you begin to, rework a lot of these keyword phrases back into the content and, create more better content, around some of these keyword phrases, and just maybe reword some of what the existing content that you have on your website. So the other thing is you're going to go to Google Drive. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to New, and you're going to do a Google Sheet. So this is a really awesome way that you can reoptimize your content using a free Google Drive add-on. So you're logged in to the account that is also associated with your Search Console account. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to add-ons, get add-ons. And let's see. Search. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now it's in our add-ons. So let's take a look here. Oh, it's weird. Oh, here we go. Search analytics. So we want to open the sidebar here. So we're going to make sure our property is connected. So let's do a date range. I guess this is doing, let's do like the last, 3 or 6 months, maybe 3 months. January. Just from maybe June 1st to September 22nd. The search type is going to be default, group by, let's group it by query, filter by, let's see, I'm not going to filter. Default, we'll keep it on default here. Rows returned, everything. And then the results sheet will be create new sheet. So now we're going to request data. Okay, so what you're going to see here is the queries that have been performed on the website, the position, the impressions, click-through rate, number of clicks, everything. And you can go back in here. I mean, even if you don't have any clicks on a particular, on a particular query, you can go in and just re-optimize the content that is beginning to perform, because you are showing us, you are showing up for the particular search terms. So even if you just have like even if you have impressions or whatever, that's fine. You can then begin to go in and re-optimize your content. You could do a lot with this. You can also filter, and let's see here. Affordable professional website design. Like that might be one that I might want to play with a little bit. Corporate web design. I have a lot of impressions here and only one click, so that would be probably a really good one to begin to, I'm position 55, but if we begin doing our link building, we can very quickly start seeing this begin to rank. So you can filter here. Let's see how we want to do this. Filter by rank. No. So you want to sort, I guess it would be A to Z, right? Oh, doesn't make really sense, does it? But anyways, you get the idea.